cross your hand.
Have you ever felt better, not because of medicine but simply by believing you would? That's the power of the placebo effect, a fascinating phenomenon where belief itself can spark real healing. We often think of healing as something external, a pill, a surgery, an injection. But research shows our minds, our thoughts and emotions are active participants in our health. The placebo effect challenges our definition of medicine. How can a sugar pill or a fake treatment lead to real, measurable changes in the body? For years, doctors dismissed it as imagination, a nuisance in experiments. But what if this nuisance is actually a powerful healing mechanism, hardwired into us? The placebo effect is more than fake pills. It's about expectation, ritual, and the trust between patient and doctor. The context of care can be as important as the treatment itself. If beliefs can alter symptoms, how do we harness this power responsibly? The placebo effect isn't a simple answer, but a compelling mystery, inviting us to explore the true power of the mind. The word placebo comes from Latin, meaning I shall please. Originally, it referred to treatments meant to comfort rather than cure, hinting at the power of suggestion in medicine. For centuries, placebos were harmless substances like sugar pills, given to soothe patients when real treatments were unavailable. Doctors used them to manage expectations and provide comfort. But patients often reported real relief, even when the treatment was medically inert. These improvements were long dismissed as tricks of the mind, not true healing. Everything changed during World War II. Dr. Henry Beecher, facing a shortage of morphine, gave wounded soldiers saline injections, telling them it was painkiller. To his surprise, many experienced real pain relief. This discovery led Beecher to study the placebo effect scientifically. In 1955, he published The Powerful Placebo, showing that about 35% of patients improved with placebo treatment, a result that changed medicine. Beecher's work set a new standard. New treatments must outperform placebos in clinical trials. The placebo effect became a powerful tool for understanding the mind's influence on health. So, what is a placebo? It's an inactive treatment, like a sugar pill or sham procedure, that looks real but has no direct medical effect. The placebo effect is the real improvement that follows, revealing the mind's remarkable power to heal. Beecher's insights revolutionized medical research, showing that a patient's mindset can shape real health outcomes. His work led to the rise of randomized controlled trials, where new treatments must outperform placebos to prove their effectiveness. In these trials, patients are randomly assigned to receive either the real treatment or a placebo, an inactive substance that looks identical. Double-blind designs ensure neither patients nor researchers know who gets what, eliminating bias and making results reliable. Many drugs fail to outperform placebos, especially for conditions like pain or depression, where the placebo effect is surprisingly strong. Placebo groups often show real improvements, less pain, better mood, even measurable changes in vital signs. The placebo isn't just a control, it's a window into the mind-body connection. It helps us measure hope, expectation, and trust, revealing that belief itself can be a measurable force in healing. Placebos reveal the deeply human side of medicine, even in the most advanced laboratories, reminding us that the power of belief is real, consistent, and essential to understanding health. Outside the lab, the placebo effect shapes everyday medical experiences. The form of a placebo matters. 2 pills work better than 1, capsules seem stronger than tablets, and injections outperform pills. Even pill color influences results. Blue calms, red energizes. The context and the caregiver's warmth amplify the effect. A caring doctor can boost outcomes, even with identical treatments. Rituals of care, being listened to, examined, and given a plan, can trigger healing. In Parkinson's studies, fake treatments led to real dopamine release and symptom relief. The placebo effect is woven into every medical encounter, showing that belief and trust are biologically active. For years, the placebo effect was a mystery until brain imaging changed everything. When someone takes a placebo for pain, their brain releases natural painkillers, endorphins, just like morphine would. Brain scans show opioid-rich areas lighting up during placebo-induced relief. Block those opioid receptors and the placebo effect vanishes. Proof it's a real biological event. Placebos can also trigger dopamine release in Parkinson's and alter mood circuits in depression. The process starts with expectation and learning our brains are conditioned to associate medical rituals with healing. The prefrontal cortex processes these cues and signals the body to respond. The belief in healing becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy, written in neurochemicals. The placebo effect is the brain's pharmacy in action. The placebo effect doesn't stop at the brain. It triggers real changes throughout the body. Belief can influence the immune system, hormones, and even organ function. In classic studies, people conditioned with a flavored drink and an immunosuppressant later showed immune changes with just the drink. Placebo inhalers can relax airways in asthma, and fake treatments can calm the gut in IBS. Expectation can lower stress hormones like cortisol. But there's a flip side, the nocebo effect, where negative expectations cause real side effects and stress. Our beliefs, positive or negative, can shift our body's chemistry. The mind and body are deeply connected, with belief acting as a powerful signal. The placebo effect blurs the line between mental and physical health. Scientists agree. The placebo effect is real, but its power and limits are hotly debated. At international conferences, experts present new findings and challenge each other's views, fueling lively debates about what placebos can and cannot achieve. Some clinicians see the placebo effect as a powerful tool for symptom relief, especially in chronic pain, depression, and anxiety. Harvard's Ted Kapchuk calls it an active ingredient in healing. The rituals of medicine matter. Others, like Edzard Ernst, warn that the placebo effect is often overestimated and cannot replace proven therapies. Placebos can ease symptoms like pain, but they can't cure cancer or infections. Recent research shows placebos can trigger changes in brain chemistry, like endorphin and dopamine release, though these effects are often modest and variable. The controversy extends to clinical practice. Some doctors embrace the placebo effect to enhance care, while others worry it could undermine trust if not used transparently. Public opinion is divided. Many would accept a placebo if it helped, even knowing it's inert. Others remain skeptical, questioning whether the benefits are real or imagined. The placebo's impact varies by illness, patient, and context. Some report dramatic improvements, others notice little change. Scientists are using advanced data analysis to map out why some people respond more strongly than others. The debate continues in journals, conferences, and clinics worldwide. As new research emerges, our understanding of the placebo effect and its place in medicine continues to evolve. The consensus, the placebo effect is real and important, but not a cure-all. The placebo effect raises tough ethical questions for doctors. Prescribing a placebo usually involves deception, which can undermine trust and violate patient autonomy. Pure placebos, like sugar pills, are widely condemned for this reason. Impure placebos, like unnecessary vitamins or antibiotics, are common but still ethically murky. Exciting new research shows placebos can work even when patients know they're inert. As long as the treatment ritual and positive framing are present, this opens the door to ethical use of placebos, no deception required. The challenge is harnessing the effect while respecting honesty and trust. Our journey began with a question. Mind over matter? The answer is complex. The mind and body are in constant conversation. The placebo effect is not magic but evidence of this dialogue. It's the brain, prompted by belief, urging the body toward balance. Once dismissed, the placebo effect is now central to medical research and practice. We've seen it in action, from pain relief to Parkinson's, and uncovered its biological roots. The effect extends beyond the brain, influencing immune cells, hormones, and more. Ultimately, the placebo effect teaches humility. Medicine is about molecules, but also meaning and hope, and trust. It's not a cure-all, but a powerful ally in healing. The placebo effect enriches medicine, revealing the untapped potential within us all.